Vulnerability scanning identifies potential weaknesses in systems before attackers can exploit them. Regular scans help organizations stay ahead of cyber threats by detecting and addressing vulnerabilities promptly, thereby strengthening their overall security posture. Penetration testing simulates cyber attacks to identify vulnerabilities before malicious actors exploit them. These tests, conducted by ethical hackers, uncover weaknesses in systems, applications, and networks. They provide valuable insights for strengthening security measures and preventing future breaches. Bug bounty programs incentivize independent security researchers to find and report software flaws. Companies reward these researchers for their discoveries, which helps identify and patch vulnerabilities quickly. This collaborative approach enhances cybersecurity by leveraging external expertise and diverse perspectives. An incident response plan outlines procedures for addressing security breaches. This plan ensures swift action to contain and mitigate attacks, minimizing damage. It includes roles and responsibilities, communication strategies, and steps for recovery, ensuring preparedness for potential incidents. Secure vendor management practices minimize risks associated with third-party services. By assessing vendor security measures, organizations ensure they meet compliance standards and protect sensitive data. Regular evaluations and clear contractual agreements help maintain a secure supply chain. Encryption protects sensitive information by converting it into unreadable code. Only authorized parties with decryption keys can access the data. This method safeguards data during transmission and storage, ensuring confidentiality and integrity against unauthorized access. Network segmentation divides a network into smaller, isolated segments to limit the spread of cyber attacks. This helps contain breaches and protect sensitive data by restricting access, ensuring that a compromised segment does not affect the entire network. Regular security audits are crucial for identifying and addressing vulnerabilities. They involve systematically evaluating an organization's security posture, ensuring compliance with policies, and verifying the effectiveness of security measures, ultimately strengthening the overall defense against potential threats. User access controls are vital for minimizing unauthorized access. By implementing strong authentication and authorization procedures, organizations can ensure that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive data and systems, reducing the risk of internal and external breaches. Sharing information within the security community can enhance collective defense efforts. By exchanging threat intelligence, best practices, and incident reports, organizations can stay ahead of emerging threats and develop more effective strategies for mitigating cyber risks. Implementing these preventive measures and staying informed is essential for robust cybersecurity. By adopting strategies like network segmentation, regular audits, and community sharing, organizations can significantly enhance their resilience against cyber attacks and protect their valuable assets.